So this table is it's a very basic like pre-call research table. Obviously, you can get very, very granular, um, and it can be heavily customized, right? It completely depends what the company needs, what's important to them, and why. But what we used was Calendly. That's the calendar that we use, and anytime like a meeting was booked for discovery, it will ping this table specifically. So like you could pretty much track the discovery. You can track what kind of call has been booked and who's in charge of that call. So if there's a specific SDR, specific or like even if it was pre-call research for a closing call, you can track what SDR, what AE is actually taking that call, automate the research. I'm using Clayagent and some other APIs. We use Clayagent to source the information. This was built like quite some time ago. Now we'd probably just use like a rapid API integration because there's so much data that you can actually just scrape. And there's loads of APIs that you can use to get this data. But then you would send all of this data to a Google Doc or whatever like document you want really, and then send it straight to that SDR AE by Slack. So they have all of the information that they need. All of the data, all of the research that they'll typically do themselves is done. They don't have to, sit down and just research their prospects and their accounts beforehand. And like I said, it can be highly custom because we have tools like Clayagent. So if you want specific funding information, that can be sourced. If you want, I don't know, anything, right? If it's searchable on the internet, Clayagent can get it pretty much. But yeah, that's it.